Come here. Girl, come here. Look at this. Can you believe this, girl? Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Brina. After a day of packing orders for my first time ever, that's pretty fun. I now have to cook dinner, and I am not a cook by any means. But Slava and I are trying out one of those cooking subscription box services where they just send you like meals and you can like prepare them. And so far, they've been really good. Here we go. I gotta put away all these dishes first though. Hey, potatoes are done. So is the onions and tomatoes. And now I'm making the burger. But they look pretty good. I'll show you guys the finished product afterwards. How is it?
But you do sense that the narrative direction missing with those quests is something that might lead a lot of players to
all of us are on this spaceship and we're trying to complete our tasks. But the thing is, one of us is secretly the imposter. somebody killed Sabo on the first game.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
You look good.
How about you?
What's up?
What's up? You're coming with me to the post office, right?
That's where I'm going. Where you going?
I'm going to drop off some packages. Ta-da!
And I have a big boy package.
It's just shoes.
Don't tell them. Personal.
Look at this. Look at this difference. I got a nice salad from Sweet Green. And what does he have?
This is actually a salad you just can't see in the box.
It's pizza and wings.
No, this is the salad. Babe, you could like pour barbecue sauce over that thing. It's still gonna taste like the ground.
It tastes good.
Does it taste like it's made of sweets and greens?
Yes, actually.
Yeah. Anyone was looking at the preference, like Schedule A or Peace Corps or Forage or Veterans, they seem to be prioritizing those kind of candidates.
Sir, what are you barking about? Don't look at the front door. Look at me. No more barking, okay? Thank you. There's no one at the door, I promise. Hello. I'm currently packaging more orders for my shop that I got. I'm so like, it's like a mixture of like overwhelm and being nervous and being extremely excited and thankful and kind of in disbelief that people actually want to buy my stuff. I don't even know if I ever actually gave this vlog a proper like intro, but yeah. So since opening my shop, it has been very, I don't know, there's just like a feeling of like fulfillment just having it open. It just feels really good. And also I wanted to talk about my new Hobonichi haul, and I guess like just like a brief overview of this stack of babies. So between my haul from my first vlog and this one that I just had, like just now, this is my entire journal, planner, sketchbook stack for 2021 that I have planned, and I don't think that there is room for any more, but I could be wrong. Listen, I'm the kind of person where if you give me the space, I will fill it. If you give me a notebook, I will find a use for it. So right, from my first haul, you saw these two boys. So this one is gonna hold my Hobonichi planner, which is already in there. This is like my everything planner and daily journal. It's basically gonna just replace my current bullet journal. Like whatever I've been doing in here, like this whole situation, all this planning, all this journaling, daily stuff is just gonna go into this boy right here. And this one is currently housing my A5 size sketchbook. And this wasn't part of either haul, but it's just a Hobonichi cover that I had from my, like, I think the last time I ordered Hobonichi, which was probably 2018, 2017. She don't know. But yeah, I had this cover just sitting around. I don't think I ever used the Hobonichi that I bought that year, which is why I stopped ordering Hobonichi, because I bought it and then I never used it, and I was like, was that a waste of money? Maybe. But now I'm using the cover that I bought that year, and it's housing my itty bitty A6 size sketchbook, which I've been using for my Inktober drawings. And then here is from today. I got the Mina Perhonen Woodbirds cover that was continued from last year, I think. And it's just housing one of the Hobonichi like Tomoe River blank notebooks. I started using, not even gonna mention the name because this video is not sponsored by anyone. I mean, just look at my follower account. You think anyone's sponsoring me? No. But I started taking lessons online from a relatively popular site that does that kind of thing. And I think I'm gonna use this as like my notebook for that. It's tentative. Honestly, these things that I bought for this haul was more just like, I couldn't stop thinking about them, so then I bought them and now I just need to find a purpose for them. And same thing for this little guy. This is just the A6 size version of the Mina Perhonen Woodbird cover. And I actually think I like the gray more. This is really, I love A5 size, and this navy. But there's something about this gray, and you open it up and then it's like the navy on the inside. It's just, it feels really good. But yeah, so this one also holds one of the blank Hobonichi Tomoe River notebooks that I'm going to use for something. Because I like this so much, maybe I'll use it for like my sketchbook at some point. I don't know. And then the last thing that I got for this new haul is one of the A6 size 5-year journals. So this journal will run from 2021 to 2025, which first off, that's a very satisfying set of years. Because I'm like thinking about it, and I think about like the last 5 years, and 2015 was when I graduated college. The time since then till now feels like no time has passed, and I think that's like the crazy thing is like once you get out into the adult world, it kind of feels like every day is the same. But at the same time, I know that lots of things have happened. I got my first job. I moved in with Slava. We got Luna. Oh, not to mention, in those 5 years, I even got Henry. I got Henry in 2015. So that would have been interesting to document. And then we also got Luna last year. Slava and I got engaged in 2017. You know, I made friends. Things have happened. Things have changed. Emotionally, I am a different person. My life is different. Very much so from 2015 when I graduated college. I just think that it would have been nice to document all those days like together, which I have like documented on and off in like various journals, but what if I could have like what if I could have all of that in one glance in one book? Well, what can I present to you, the 5-year journal? Yeah, anyway, so yeah, I think that's that would be interesting to see what's gonna happen in the next 5 years. You know, Slava and I are thinking about buying a house next year. That would be fun to document because I don't know anything about buying a house, but I'm excited. I don't know where the next 5 years will take me, but it'll be interesting to see it all play out in this. Anyway, so I haven't even showed you guys the page. But this is basically what every page looks like. It'll have like one page for each day of the year. So this one is for March 16th. And it'll have it for 2021, 2022, 23, 24, and 25. So that way like each year, you know, you'll write in here, and then like as the years go by, you can actually look back to see like what you did on that same day. Basically, it's the analog version of when Instagram or Facebook is like, hey, remember this post that you made 5 years ago? And I'm like, oh shit, I did not need to see that today. But now I'm actually going to be purposely doing that to myself, but in words. Oh shit, here we go. There we go. Yeah, now you guys are like kind of eye to eye with me. No more of this like way down here business or having to prop you up on a box. Now we're actually eye to eye with each other, you know, because as your queen, I think it's very benevolent of me to at least give the illusion that we're equals. So I just noticed going through my YouTube subscriptions that Kimmy Vera has posted a video of my stuff that she bought from me. Anyways, I thought I'd just film my reaction very quickly on this vlog because I'm very excited, and it's very surreal to see people posting like Instagram stories of getting my stickers in the mail. And now Kimmy's posted a video of the stuff that she bought from me, and it's like seeing my art out there in the wild, and I have many emotions. They're all good, but it's all very like weird. Okay, so I'm gonna watch her video really quickly. Oh my god, that was so sweet. Thank you so much, Kimmy. My face is like so hot right now. I don't know, I get very nervous when people like talk about my art. Even if it's in a good way, I get very like, I start to sweat, okay? Oh my god, that was so sweet. I'll link her channel and her video down below. I have only just found her YouTube channel like recently, and I feel bad because she's been following me for so long on Instagram, I know. We chatted a lot, and you know, she mentions in the video that she's, you know, had a lot of fun watching my art style develop over the years, which it has changed many times over these last few years because, you know, working on trying to find my voice as an artist, and it's annoying to see my style change so often, but at the same time it's refreshing, and I don't want the bad feelings of feeling like inconsistent to stop me from experimenting and trying to get better. I'm like, oh god, thank you so much, Kimmy, for being like on this journey with me for so long, and I'm so happy that you like the stickers that I've designed, and yeah, I'm gonna link her channel and her video down below because she's so sweet, and if you love stationery, then her channel is totally for you. Thank you so much again, Kimmy. Also, I'm still sweating from hearing you talk about my stuff. I'm so happy that you like it. I'm so like overwhelmed with good feelings right now, and I'm not good at talking about my feelings, so if I seem a little like frazzled right now, that's why. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Goodbye. Hi, and welcome to the end of this video. I realized that this video is very off-kilter with a lot of non-talking in the beginning and then literally all the talking at the end. The second half of this video has literally just been me in my workspace talking to you guys. So maybe I'll find a better balance in the future, who knows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, maybe give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you want to see more of this whatever's going on. You know, I'm pretty small time with a shop that's only about 11 days old now. I don't know, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna nurture it like it's a baby and just try and, like, you know, let it grow, you know, I'm just gonna feed it until it grows. Is that how you take care of a baby? I don't know. If you guys want to see more of that, then subscribe, and I guess I'll catch you guys later or in the next one. Okay. Bye. Luna likes to steal the limelight, so I'm gonna bring Henry in to say goodbye this time. You wanna say bye, buddy?